So this is my Google review of this wonderful mindful chicken. It's Sweet Earth. Okay, and I just want to say it looks like actual chicken. So we got our broccoli. We got this mindful chicken, plant-based protein. And it cooks. It looks like real chicken. Like literally like real chicken. And we put some teriyaki on it. Put a little teriyaki on it to give it that brown or whatever, but it looks like real chicken. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to taste it, see if it tastes like real chicken. Let's taste it. Oh, it's delicious. It kind of tastes like grilled tofu. Taste a piece. It's delicious. Tastes like grilled tofu. We love it. All right, so that is mindful chicken.